There are times when it's worth looking back, remembering the past, and enjoying everything that has happened over the years. At times, we need to identify what we were, what we have become, and we can feel a sense of pride. It's at this time when looking towards the future is not only a duty, it's a thrilling prospect, because how often do we not appreciate the things that surround us? Since Leo Baekeland synthesized Bakelite in 1907 as the first commercial plastic material, plastic has become the leading material, bringing about a new technological era in which plastic has become an integral part of our lives. When AIMPLAS was founded as a technological center in 1990, driven by the efforts of companies in the sector, in collaboration with the Generalitat Valenciana through IMPIVA, it focused all its efforts on investigating, developing and innovating with plastic materials, their transformation processes and the development of finished products. Although present in all areas, AIMPLAS focuses on applications for the packaging, automotive and construction sectors, as well as everything related to recycling plastics and environmental sustainability. AIMPLAS's premises cover an area of almost 5,000 square meters and include laboratories, pilot plants and training classrooms where more than 110 professionals carry out their daily activities. AIMPLAS counts on the trust of almost 2,000 clients and more than 425 associates with whom it works day to day, detecting their needs and offering integral, personalised solutions, promoting and coordinating in the acquisition of new technologies. Over the last 5 years, AIMPLAS has doubled in size, increasing its capacity and equipment. And in order to continue progressing towards excellence, 5 strategic action areas have been defined. The creation of value. AIMPLAS contributes value to companies through the development of R&D projects, advanced analysis, trials and assessment services, and specialized technical assistance. AIMPLAS also offers companies in the plastics sector its services of technology watch and competitive intelligence, known as the Plastics Technological Observatory and the Market Observatory. Training activities are one of the main ways to help companies. Every year, these activities contribute to improving the skill levels and qualifications of more than 1,400 professionals. We do this by teaching 3,600 hours of classes to some 750 companies in the sector. So that our associate companies and clients feel our closeness, we carry out more than 1,200 proactive visits a year in order to keep close to their needs and adapt our products and services to real requirements. Efficiency and effectiveness. We are able to reach a high-level performance through the simplification of procedures and the elimination of those tasks which do not give added value to our clients. In this way, AIMPLAS can become more competitive by reducing operational costs and responding to companies' requirements more dynamically. Some of the tools being used are the definition of improvement groups and the concepts of lean manufacturing, which are applied by car manufacturers. People management. People and their level of scientific technical excellence are AIMPLAS's main asset. Their commitment and satisfaction allows us to improve. Therefore, we develop career plans for all our staff. We encourage and foster the writing of doctoral theses and actively encourage study periods in universities and internationally recognized centers, amongst other measures in order to lead towards excellence in research and innovation. Promoting R&D. Our main activity is the development of R&D projects. Our main objective is to satisfy the present and future needs of companies within the plastics sector. In order to be able to do this, AIMPLAS defines its lines of research in the mid to long term, investing 20% in its own research, 40% in technological development projects in collaboration with companies, and 40% in innovation projects which allow real products to be put into the marketplace. Strategic alliances. Over the past few years, AIMPLAS has experienced considerable growth and has become a key player at both national and international level. Participation in research networks and technological platforms, alliances with research groups, technological centers and innovative companies has allowed us to fulfill our capabilities and find synergies to improve the competitiveness of the plastics sector. These alliances are a strategic element in the specialization and growth of the Institute. AIMPLAS, in its commitment to the future of the plastics sector, faces important challenges in the development of materials which come from renewable resources such as potato starch, corn and sugarcane, materials with a greater range of features which can substitute traditional materials such as metal, wood or glass, nanocomposites which enable plastics to reach properties which were unimaginable up to now, such as electrical conductivity or heat resistance, new products such as active or intelligent packaging, processing systems reducing energy consumption based on microwaves, ultraviolet light or inert gases under supercritical conditions, or new applications for recycled materials. We therefore find ourselves in the midst of development. In AIMPLAS, the passing of the years makes us stronger, more able to satisfy society's needs and improve companies' competitiveness. Nowadays, we feel proud of contributing towards progress because we like to think that we make life a little bit easier. Being an effective technological centre is not our only objective. We also feel the need for progress and technology which helps society, the need to support and encourage the development of our companies, and the capacity to commit ourselves to the environment in order to make this world a better place. We are AIMPLAS, Excellence in Plastic.